call may be recorded for quality assurance. Press 1 for service. Press 2 for sales. Press 3. This is Jenny. How may I help you?
Hi Jenny, I'm calling to see how much service is for a 2014 Toyota Camry Hybrid to get the battery cooling fan, the like the dust filter cleaned out and stuff like that.
For the cooling fan and what else?
So the Camry Hybrid has the battery, and I'm trying to get the cooling fan for the hybrid battery clean.
Okay, give me 1 moment.
Thank you.
Thank you for calling Toyota Santa Monica, a proud member of the LA Car Guy family of dealerships. There is no place like Santa Monica. We invite you to experience the Santa Monica difference. We're a full-service facility offering the entire line of exciting new Toyota vehicles, as well as a wide selection of pre-owned vehicles. We're located at 801 Santa Monica Boulevard in Santa Monica. Come and take a look at our vehicles, the RAV4, Camry, Corolla, Prius Prime, and the all-new Corolla hatchback. Visit our...
So, because they are already announcing that we are on a recorded line, I do not need to ask for permission.
At Toyota Santa Monica, we believe that shopping for your next vehicle should be easy and convenient, so we offer extended sales showroom hours for your viewing pleasure.
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, so it's $489. That's with parts and labor.
$489 to clean out the air intake for the hybrid battery fan.
Yes.
Okay. Why was I quoted $760?
Was it from here?
Yes.
I could transfer you to an advisor.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Sunday. Selection, service, value put us at the top of the list. With over 500 vehicles available, we've got your car. With over 40...
Services is Tim. How can I help you?
Hi. What was your name again? I'm sorry.
Timothy?
Timothy. Hi, Timothy. I'm John. How are you doing?
Good. Yourself?
Doing pretty good. So I'm calling for a quote on getting the hybrid battery intake filter and the fan cleaned out for a 2014 Camry
okay,
Hybrid.
The cooling fan. Yeah, the cooling fan service. You said for a Camry?
Yeah, it's a Camry.
Okay. And how can I help you with that?
I was just calling to see how much it was.
Oh, how much it is? Oh, okay. I believe it is $699 for the Camrys and $489 for the Prius.
Okay, so $699 for the Camry. And that's for a 2014?
Yes, and $489 for the Prius. Correct.
Why is it so much? Why is it so expensive?
On this one, I believe the seats have to be removed to access it.
Okay, the seats fold down.
Yeah, but the hybrid battery's underneath the seats.
No, it's not. It's in the trunk.
On your vehicle, the hybrid battery is in the trunk?
Yeah, so in the Camry, for the 2012 to 2019 model year, the hybrid battery is basically in the trunk. It sits behind the back seat, and you know how there's like
underneath
this.
where the spare tire carrier would be.
No, it's not underneath. It takes the place of where the trunk pass-through used to be.
Correct.
So in the hybrids, Camrys, there's only like a little tiny hole on the passenger side rear seat, where that seat folds down, and then there's like a little shelf. That little shelf is the battery. You don't have to take out the whole back seat.
Oh,
And-
yeah, I would
and
just
the-
have to see it, to be honest with you. If the seats have to come out, it's $6.99 for that service. If it's not, where they have to take out the seats, then it's just $4.89 like a regular Prius service.
Okay, but still, why is it like $500? Is it 4 hours of labor?
No, it's two. What they have to do is they have to remove the fans that blow onto the hybrid battery,
Okay.
clean out those fans, and then replace the intake filter that's in there.
Okay, so the intake filter that stopped in 2010, where it was underneath the parcel shelf.
Okay.
The 2012 and up, they don't have that intake by the parcel shelf. It's just on the and there's no filter on the 2012 and up.
Okay, then it could just be cleaning the ducts on your vehicle.
Okay, so how much would that be?
It's same price.
Same price. Okay. Do you understand where a person can get pretty upset about that? Because it,
What, the pricing?
yeah. You know what?
Yeah, I get it. It's
Yeah.
expensive. Yeah, it's expensive maintenance. I can just tell you I'm a service advisor. I don't make the prices. I
Right,
just
right.
relay what the company calls it for.
Right, but you know it really is only 10 to 15 minutes of labor time, right? Of actual work.
If you just clean the ducts, if you don't take out the fans, then yeah.
Yeah, if you take out the fan, it's like 30 minutes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
did you want to do it yourself? I don't understand what your...
Well, I mean, like, I basically had to ask you, like, asking you, like, why is it so expensive? And you said you have to remove the seats. And then I said that you don't have to remove the seats. So, then if you don't have to remove the seats, like, for example, if it costs 1 hour of labor to remove something, and then you don't have to do it, you shouldn't charge for it, correct?
Sir, you're barking down the wrong tree. I don't make the prices. I just tell you asked what the service cost. I told you the cost. If you'd like, you can go to corporate or speak to a service manager if you'd like.
Okay then. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.
My pleasure. Bye-bye.